Shukor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Ki MDC ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC haringkat gajing senanlang u Dr.Mukul sangma mendagasni keshitarik nailar arja apusan kilalit benu kendo iulat kejela u CH Vijaya Shankar ban pensngau hu halor gajing bomyo tulop ki Nongtrei hapo GHADC bat kiwe kiman habakran shikila pathai kubor u Dr.Mukul sangma u laong baki Nongtrei hapo GHADC ki khlem yo tulop la sau phlai banai kumta u laong bayakani don kam ban Shimkhia bha bat u laong daulat kejelaru ula kular bon Shimkhia yakani Ulaong bawat la ke GHADC kala pentep yakani sya Sorkar jela rei kam syam na lei kumta ulaong bagani kapa baka Sorkar kam patiaw e ke jing e jongki kumta ulaong ru balada ka Sorkar kam Shimkhia bat shim jingket khli halor kani ke jing dawa jongki Nongtrei Garo Hills Ngin Snohkti lang bat ki Nongtrei jong ke GHADC ban Ïakhih dak bating e halor kani.
Today we met His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya, and then I, along with my friends, we have brought our problems, whatever we are facing in Garo's Autonomous District Council. Since you may be aware about the non-getting of salary for 43 months, and this is our main topic of discussion with Honorable Governor. And then we have number of issues which has been discussed with His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya. One issue is the pending bill of Garo codification of Garo customary law, which we have discussed. And then the second part is recently our Garo's Autonomous District Council session has been adjourned abruptly, so we submitted our humble submission to His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya for giving us an opportunity by having a special session in GHADC to discuss many problems what we are facing in Garo's Autonomous District Council. And then we are very happy that Governor has responded us very positively, and we are looking forward that with his kind intervention, I think whatever we have raised the issue today, it will be materialized.
How many point memorandum have you submitted to the governor?
Today we have submitted three points which we can share with you.
Since the present regime is not able to address the issues, are you asking for dissolving the present setup and go for a new dispensation?
No, we didn't ask for any, like, our point is that whatever the problem we are facing in the Garo's Autonomous District Council, we are just asking the present dispensation, the present government to solve it, and then whatever the problem facing by the employees in GHADC, that has to be solved.
But the elections are around the corner, so you will be inheriting, and who are coming up will be inheriting all the mistakes committed by the present regime.
Yeah, see, I think you may be aware that in 2015, the pending salary is just 4 months in 2015. So right from 2015 till now, it's 43 months of pending salaries. So you got the point that for from 2015 till date, who is running the GHADC, and then whatever the points they may rise, but it's very clear that in 2015 when they took charge, the ruling dispensation, the same one, it's only 4 months pending salary was there, now it's 43. Next course of action, see, you may be aware that in GHADC, the employees, they have started sit-in demonstration right from 7th of this July, and till date they are doing a demonstration, sit-in demonstration, and other like fish rally and all. So it's a matter of concern, big concern, and then they are asking their salary, and they are not asking anything, any schemes, but they are asking whatever they are supposed to get.
Do you feel there should be early elections so that the present regime can be voted out, since they are not able to do anything?
See, early election means now it's almost 9 months, like 8 or 9 months is there for election. So the ruling dispensation, they should know what they have to do. So we are practically very aware about the things, what is going on, and then we are ready to face.
So any assurance on the special session by the governor?
So he mentioned that he will look into it.
We had an audience with our Honorable Governor, along with our distinguished members of District Council. We have Mr. Chirag W. Muman. Then we have Mr. Rinaldo Kesangma. Then we have the Lady MDC, Sadia Rani M. Sama. Then we have Mr. Shira from representing Damas. Then we have one of our young legislators, Agassi Mara, and William Nagar MDC, Mr. Apu Mara. And you are aware of the concern with which we have sought an audience with the Honorable Governor. And we had an exhaustive discussion. Our distinguished MDCs were able to articulate the issues concerning our Autonomous District Council and how the insensitivity of the government towards autonomous district councils have been articulated in a manner which has reflected our deep concern about the issue. And our MDCs have sought for his kind intervention and to also somehow take up the issue with the authorities in Delhi, with the concerned union ministry, and at the same time utilize his distinguished honorable office to deal with all those concerns which have been flagged by our distinguished MDCs. And it is a matter of concern for everybody of the state of Meghalaya, that the state of Meghalaya today is witnessing something which has never happened. The level of insensitivity with which the government is handling the issue of Ghadc Autonomous District Council. The employees of Ghadc Autonomous District Council having not received salary for last consecutive 43 months. And you can understand the impact on the overall functioning of the ADCs. So this issue has to be taken very seriously. And we could at least see that governor has been very considerate in listening, and then he has listened to the MDCs, and they have also submitted their representation. I will let the MDCs share their views in respect of whatever has been presented in the form of representation by the MDCs on behalf of the ADCs. Keeping in mind the level of insensitivity with which the government is dealing with the issue of the problem of Ghadc Autonomous District Council, in spite of the fact that the employees of Ghadc Autonomous District Council who have not received their salary for last 43 months have been agitating since 7th of last month, that means 7th of July, and till now there has been no response whatsoever. It is a reflection of their insensitivity, lack of concern, and dereliction of duty of the highest level. Therefore, it will be necessary for the people to not remain in silence, but it has become necessary for everyone to raise our voice. And I would like to inform the government that if the government does not take this problem into cognizance and fulfill their responsibility, the constitutional responsibility towards addressing this problem of Ghadc Autonomous District Council, it will be necessary for us to join the agitation along with the employees of the Girls Autonomous District Council. And I feel that even the people belonging to all walks of life also should raise their voice and articulate their concern appropriately.